So let's just take a minute to go over the supplies in the testing kit and everything that is contained in the testing kit. You've already seen the instructional insert, which details how to properly execute and mail in the test. Also, they have a booklet on things you should know about HIV/AIDS. And if you have any other questions beyond what I've already spat at you in the course of this film series, this should answer anything you have to ask. For the actual testing itself, we have blood equipment. There's 2 lancets. This is what you'll be using to stick your finger to collect the blood. Prior to that, you should wipe the area you wish to stick with an alcohol prep. There's gauze if you somehow have stuck yourself extra good and decide to bleed a lot. The gauze can help sop up the blood. Or if you drop any of your own blood on the area you're using for testing, the gauze can be used to clean it up. And of course, no owie is complete without a Band-Aid. The Band-Aid goes on the finger stick once you're done collecting the blood. There is also your sample return pouch, which is what you'll be placing the testing card into. And I suggest what I'll do right now is get that ready to go. Here is your cardboard envelope, which you will also be using to mail back things. And this is the pre-addressed FedEx envelope that the whole jazz will go into. Most importantly, I just want to take a minute to show you this. This is the sample collection card with your code number. This is what you'll be slipping into those packages which go into envelopes. This dot needs to be completely filled with blood. I'll illustrate that more in depth. If you send an inadequate sample, they won't be able to test, and you'll have to go through the financial pain of purchasing another test. And right here is your access code, which we will call and register with the company. And you have to detach this and save this, same numbers between here and here. So that way you anonymously are attached to the testing sample you are sending in.